Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.themanwhosetthemselfsonfire.com. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. Guys, if you want to go ahead and get the merch, check out the real t-shirts, guys. Her email will be in the link of this video. So today, guys, we want to come into the bathroom and I want to introduce something to you guys. This is the 3-in-1 electric jack. It's an air compressor. It's also a jack. It also have a light on there. And guys, it can remove your lugs. It is a lug breaker. Now, enough of me just randomly on and on and on and on. Let's go outside and I'm going to show you how it works. You guys asked for this, so let's get right to it. Connected has quickly become my favorite IPTV service. Connected will allow you to stream up to 2 devices for $14 and 5 devices for $25 a month. That's right, only $14, 2 devices, or 5 devices at $25 a month. They give you the option to view the APK several ways: APK 1, APK 2, and my favorite, and I recommend to you guys, APK 3. And if you don't have an Android Fire Stick device, you can always view it on their web player if you have an iOS device. Connected to the source, guys. One of the best, no, I dare say it is the best IPTV service. All right, so the first thing we want to do, guys, is go over what you're getting inside of here. Now, this is the main component right here. And let me go ahead and adjust the camera so you guys can see, well, I can see what I'm looking at. All right, this is the main component right here. It's this right here, guys. You're definitely gonna need this. This is what you plug into both devices. You can see this little connection right here. Gonna need that. Getting some gloves up in here, some different size lugs, sockets to fit, your lug breaker, of course. Now, this plug directly into your battery, but let's say your battery port don't work. They also have this connector where you can connect directly to your battery, right? Just in case your battery socket don't work. And then you have the jack itself. So let's go over the basic operation. Alrighty, so on the jack itself, right here you have a little symbol for the air compressor. So you want to go ahead and press that, and that's going to activate the air compressor. You put it in neutral, nothing is on. You want to use the jack. You got a little symbol for the jack. You press that, and that's going to activate the jack. You have light on, light off, or light on, light off. And with the jack, U for up, D for down. Here is the connection right here. You go ahead and you just connect that little piece I was telling you about. On the opposite side, you have your compressor tubes. Also, if the jack ever gets stuck, you take this little centerpiece out right here and you're able to use the Allen wrench to relieve the pressure to put the jack down. And that's simply how the jack works. The lug breaker is similar. You connect the little piece up in there. Okay, T for tight, L for loosen. It's easy as that, people. Easy as that. All right, so why would this 3-in-1 jack be important? Well, right here you can see I have a Navigator, full-size SUV. That's the L model. I also got the new GMC. Forgive the noise, guys, it's early in the morning. The new GMC 1500 Sierra, and my baby right here, my work truck right here, what we're going to demonstrate on. Now, the reason why I got this GMC is because of this. Let me show you, get around up in here. I've been having this thing for years. Watch this, guys. Now, I figured if this lasts this long, why not go ahead and upgrade? Watch the mileage. Now, first of all, watch this. Crank right up. You hear that? And let me put it on the mileage for you. 340,000 miles. And she's still running. She's still running. So obviously, with 3 full-size vehicles, plus my wife got a mid SUV, this jack comes in handy. Now I had to buy my wife a new vehicle because the linking was what she was driving, and I know the oil pump or the engine, so I got to get that fixed. But enough of all of that, guys. Let's get right here and start recording how this jack works. All right, so the first thing I want to do is unscrew this, get this high as it can go. All right, then I want to locate exactly where I'm going to position it. All right, this is not that to this. All right, we got that. Let's go ahead and plug it into the cigarette lighter. The light is going to be on, let you know you got power. All right, come underneath here. I'm simply going to press up. All right, so I have everything in place. Go ahead and press up. Stop it right there. You can see the tires off the ground. Once you identify the lug that fits, go ahead and put it on. And what we're gonna do with the lug breaker, go ahead and connect the same wire. Go ahead and connect it. Got to connect it. Got it on there. L to loosen, T to tighten. Easy as that. And that's pretty much it, guys. After you broke the lugs, I mean, they just come right off. How fast that is. I already got that one off. Then you just take the tire off and you're good to go. Now watch how fast it is to put it back together. Go ahead and set our lugs. Then we're gonna put down our jack. All right, so here we are. Go ahead and lower it down. Watch it come down. Great thing about this is my wife ever gets stranded or something, this is a great tool for her to use. She don't have to rely on the brute strength of a stranger. Let's go ahead and tighten our lugs up. Tighten. And what I do, I just go around and just hit it a couple of times. When you hear that clicking sound, it means that it's locked. But you know, just to be extra safe, I hit it like once or twice. I mean, you really ain't losing nothing because you're not putting any brute force in there. So there you have it, guys. Easy peasy. This is the wife little car right here. Now the great thing about the electric jack is the storage, guys. Look, see this right here? Just stick it on there and it will not move. Like Velcro, guys. Will not move. So you don't have to worry about it sliding around in the back. But she don't have to worry about it sliding around in the back when she's driving, because it's stuck right there. Great tool. I recommend you get it for yourself. You have daughters, a wife, significant other. It's excellent. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, that's everything about the electric jack. Basically guys, it makes your life easier. This is what the channel is all about. It's about using technology to make your life easier. So don't forget, the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. Hey, come into the bathroom, open up your user manual, learn your devices, people. The more you know, the better you're able to use it, and it's going to make your life easy. Until next time, peace. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.